What's going on, everybody? It's Mr. Marklevitz here again to congratulate you on making it to the end of another unit. Unit 5, editing. You did it. Congratulations. So I want to take this time to talk about your summative project for this unit. For this assignment, I want you to create a 2 to 4 minute long music video. This is my favorite assignment of the year. This is where you get to take all of the knowledge and information that you have acquired over the past 5 units and apply them to this summative project. So, what must your music video include? It must include examples of parallel editing. Now, I know that we just did that lab on parallel editing back in 5.3, but I want to see examples of parallel editing in this music video as well. There's going to be a performance aspect to this music video where you have, a character on screen lip syncing along to some pop song, and then there's going to be a story aspect to this video where we have a character going on this journey. When we cut back and forth between the performance and the story, well, that's going to meet your requirement for parallel editing. So this one might be easier than you think, all right? I also want to see at least 2 transitions. Now, I know that we talked about cuts and transitions in lecture video 5.4. There was not a lab assignment to go along with that lecture video, but I do want to see those transitions now. A fade in at the beginning and a fade out at the end. That's fine, all right? But if you want to throw some dissolves or irises or wipes in the middle of the video, that's great too, okay? I just want to see at least 2 transitions. And then also your video must match the tempo of the original song. If the tempo of your song is very fast, then the rhythm or the pace of your edits should match that tempo. If it's a slower song, then you might want to include a lot of long takes, okay? It doesn't matter. But again, fast tempo song, quick edits. Slow tempo songs, long takes, all right? Just consider the rhythm of your edits and the tempo of the song while you're cutting, all right? What should your video include? Well, going all the way back to Unit 1, it should include a complete and coherent story. You have a character going on a journey. That journey should hit the 8 points of the story circle that we talked about all the way back in Unit 1. You should also include effective use of the mise en scène, talking about hair, costumes, and makeup, talking about props, lighting, color, blocking. All of these things should be considered when shooting your music video. Also, effective use of cinematography, talking about camera angles, camera distances, camera compositions, lenses, movement, types of focus. Okay, these are all things that you should consider when making your music video. And then finally, your video should include balanced audio. Now, I do recognize that most, if not all of you, are just going to be using, a pre-recorded pop song for your music video. Therefore, it will already be balanced. But, when you get into editing, don't raise that volume, okay? Because if you raise that volume, you're going to start to clip, and I don't want to hear distorted music, all right? As far as pre-production material, I do want you to include a treatment that gives me the name of the song, the name of the artist, maybe a brief synopsis of the story part of your video, maybe some bullet points as far as what you need to record in terms of your performance. I'll put all that information on the actual assignment that I post to the classroom. You don't need to worry about a script for this assignment. And for the storyboard, I do recognize that some of you might have, close to 100 cuts or 100 different shots for a project like this. And I don't expect to see all of those shots drawn on a storyboard, but at least come up with an idea of the main shots that you intend to get. Let's say for the performance, you're recording a 4-piece rock band where you have a guitar player, a bass player, a singer, and a drummer. Well, on your storyboard, you should at least, acknowledge the types of shots that you intend to get. A wide shot of the whole band, a medium shot of the bass player, a medium shot of the guitar player, maybe 2 shots of the singer, one close where you see the drummer in the back and maybe a single from a low angle. I don't know. At least consider the types of shots that you intend to get before you start rolling. Doesn't need to be complete. That's fine. All right, just an idea. But that's it. That's your summative project for Unit 5. I hope you guys have some fun with this one. This is a fun project. And yeah, I'm always excited to see what you guys come up with for these music videos. Let me know if you have any questions. Email me or talk to me in class. And again, congratulations on making it to the end of Unit 5. See you in Unit 6. Bye.